Hello everyone, welcome to our company. We were responsible for the exterior wall project of the new Changnam People's Hospital.
We built this public infrastructure using our insulation and decoration panels. As a special place, hospitals have very high requirements for exterior wall panels. They need to be beautiful and comfortable, but more importantly, they need to be energy efficient.
Our insulation and decoration panels not only look realistic, as beautiful as natural stone, but also have excellent insulation performance for effective energy saving. At the same time, it also has features such as fire resistance, waterproof, and weather resistance, providing long-lasting protection for the hospital.
The entire construction process was efficient and orderly. Thanks to the modular design of the panels, we were able to complete the project quickly. In the end, we created beautiful, energy-efficient, and durable exterior walls for the new Chang People's Hospital. We are proud of this.